What's up, guys? Chris Tips1. How's everyone doing? Here we go. We're gonna build this sucker, but first, boom, right there. That is this video's winner. Congratulations, you won this Grizzly Classic Mud Jug. Get a hold of me on Instagram, and I'll go ahead and ship out that jug ASAP. For the next week's video giveaway, boom, I customized this. This is Mars, since we're gonna be building this for Dipknot, little Dipknot over there. I just put a couple stickers on here. This is cool. We got a little astronaut slam dunking a freaking moon, and we got Mars in the background, which is fitting. Like, comment, and subscribe in this video, and you automatically enter to win. But we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna take this home and I'm gonna build it. This is gonna be an awesome freaking video, something different, something that I've never done before. So enjoy. Alright guys, so here we go. Right here I am building the base of the lunar module where it's gonna sit. But this is, honestly guys, I started this at 7:45 at night and it was done at like 2:07 a.m. It actually took me like 6 hours, over 6 hours. Some people online can do it between 2 to 3 hours. Not this guy. This is actually my first Lego build. As a kid, you know, I always played with Legos, but Legos back in the day came in like in a box, right? And just a variety pack, and you just went off to build stuff. This is something that's totally freaking amazing, and this was a really cool 6-hour build. I was just in the zone. I had headphones on. I took something that rhymes with incredible, and I packed a lip, and I freaking, you know, I had my stizzy, and it was good, man. It was definitely a fun build. Darcy was giving me crap, oh, you're playing with Legos, and also a nobody named Spence on Xbox was giving me crap for it, but I actually had tons of fun doing this. I was in the zone, and I was so elevated as far as, you know, high and shit, that I felt like I was actually building this crap in the moon. But I had some crazy music going, and I just went for it, man. This little base, this base station, not base station, but this is just where the actual model will stand on. This is supposed to be the lunar surface, and this alone took about an hour. I mean, it was 6 hours to build, and I probably filmed about 2 hours worth and just kind of montaged it and just time-lapsed it in somewhat fashion. But this was definitely fun. You can look at the intricacy. I mean, this is over 1,000 freaking pieces for this Lego set, for the lunar module. But I'm going to talk to you guys about the actual build and a little bit of fun facts as we go along here. I don't even know what to say. As I was building this, I was just amazed on how many pieces it took to build something that looks so simple, like this right here, this base plate. You would just think it would just be one flat piece, and then, you know, it'd all come together. But no, I mean, it's 1,087 pieces, I believe, and they all come in bags, right? There's bags numbered to 1 through 6. So the cool thing about Lego is that they break them up into like chapters, so to speak. But here we go. This is the final product of just the base of the lunar module. There's actually 2 pieces in this model. There's the service module, and then there's like the lunar module Eagle. And you'll see right here, I'm building the lower portion of this module, and it was intricate as hell. Like, I'm building freaking pieces here that you don't even see when the thing is built. Like, I'm building interior design pieces that you can't even see it. It's well, I guess you can if you pop off the service module top off. But look at these pieces. I've never seen any of these pieces before. And like this right here, right? You got the oxidizer, which is the white tank, and then you got the fuel tank, which are the red ones. Like, what the freaking hell, man? It was freaking crazy. And, man, there was a couple of times during this session where I thought I lost a piece. But, yeah, it was definitely fun. But, it's the whole reason for doing this, guys. Well, dude, check this out. The stickers, man. The stickers part was even fun too. The whole thing is just, you know, obviously I was gonna build this regardless, and I figured, you know, why not just film it? You know, I was gonna do it because I wanted a picture with Dipknot as far as landing on Mars, and I wanted some sort of a model to do, and why not have this? I mean, I would have bought this regardless, just to use for a display piece. But this is amazing. Right here, I'm putting those gold pieces. They are basically, they're thermal shields, all these gold metallic things. When you look at the actual picture of the lunar lander, which I'll probably pop up here soon, can see I'm already taking. Oh man, that was a sativa, dude. That was bomb. But even all these little pieces right here, these gold pieces, are supposed to be like the thermal shield to, to protect the actual module from the outside elements. So you can see the picture on the top left. That's what these gold pieces are supposed to mimic. But my God, this lower portion at least, I want to say at least that took 2 hours right there. And as you can see, that's two pieces, and the top left, this is Apollo 17. You can see how it separates. So this portion that I'm building now is the descent portion of it, right? So it's when you descend to the moon, and you'll see the little the descent engine or the blasters or whatever you want to call it soon. But even every little piece, man. Oh, dude, this part's cool. So the Apollo 11 mission. They call it the Eagle. I think the whole phrase "the Eagle has landed," correct me if I'm wrong, came from Neil Armstrong. But that's the plate. Here, men from the planet Earth first set foot upon the moon, July 1969, and it has all three astronauts' names on there with President Nixon's signature. So that plate, that sticker I just put right there that you see in the center frame, that's supposed to mimic that plaque that still resides there. Of course, I'm spitting in that was a big cloud. I'm spitting in the stealth right there. Dude, blank stealths, guys, are the way to go. You can put stickers on it, customize it yourself. Magic.com. But this is really cool. Check out this ladder, right? This ladder goes over here. Now look at that. Look at it. It's the camera. They even have a fold-out freaking camera. The picture in the bottom right here that's how they recorded Neil's first steps. And as you can see, I think, yep, see, I put the descent engine or the rocket booster or whatever you want to call it. That is freaking cool. All right, Chris, put it down. Oh God, I must have been really, I was gone. Oh, now I'm playing with it. Crap. Put it down, Chris. Try for this shit. But here we go. I open up another bag, and there's the next set of pieces. And we're going to build the service module here. It did come with two astronauts. It doesn't say Buzz or Armstrong on it, but we could all assume that it was them, obviously. I was using my iPad for directions, each step by step. I already built a couple pieces here that I might have skipped over, but this is the interior here. That's ridiculous. The freaking detail, man. I'm telling you, it's crazy. Like you'll see the thrusters, you'll see the radar pieces that I'm putting on this thing. It was amazing, man. I truly enjoyed this build, and I want to do another one. Like, they actually have the Saturn V rocket, and that one is 2,000 pieces, and that actually stands like 3 feet freaking tall. So I wouldn't even know where to put that thing if I were to build it. But let me know if you guys want to see more of these type of videos. But here we go. Here I'm setting up these the service module, of course, and take another hit there. These stickers were really cool. You got to be kind of somewhat precise. I was just using a little Swiss Army little keychain thing to peel off those stickers. But yeah, I mean, the moon, Jesus, I mean, this happened in July 1969. We just celebrated the 50th anniversary of the moon landing. There's actually 12 astronauts who actually set foot on the moon. After Apollo 11, there was Apollo 12 that landed on the moon, and then we all know what happened in Apollo 13. If you guys watched the movie, they never had the chance to make it. But 14, 15, 16, 17, they all, I believe, made it. 1972, I believe, was Apollo 17, and they were the last ones to step foot on the moon. And Trump said that we're going to go back there in 2024, so that will be freaking awesome. But look at this. Look at the detail on this. I mean, you can actually open up the little doorsies and stuff. It's pretty cute. And that just snaps in like that. Simple as freaking that. That took 6 freaking hours. And you can buy the lunar module, like little statues and stuff like that. Not model kits, but actual like already made statues and stuff. And they go for like $400 or $500, man. And this is something cooler. This was only like $100. I got it for $100, and you get a really cool, like, why am I playing with it again, Chris? Put it down, dude. This is cool because you have a story behind it, right? I mean, obviously I was able to make a video on it, and it was 6 hours of pure highness and funness and just being in the zone, and I got it done. Now I can get Dipknot and take a cool photo and continue the Dipknot series. There's Dipknot right there. He's just chilling. But this is super nerdy. I'm putting one of the astronauts on here. But, and then I think the last piece I put down was the flag, was the American flag, and that completed the actual build. But this, I mean, honestly, just even watching this right now, like I wanted to go out and just buy a random Lego set because it was really intricate and it was harder than I thought, but super fun to freaking build, man. Holy crap. And you know, guys, I know this isn't a normal dip video or whatever you want to call it, but I'm with YouTube right now. It's hard. I'm kind of like not giving up. Oh, there it is. So we're gonna end it with that. Hold on, I'm not giving up yet. That's just a screenshot. We'll let that play as I finish this last sentence. I'm just done. Like, why work so hard? Like, I'm not done making dip videos, right? Like, I'm gonna continue to make them, but stuff like this, I know this video is not gonna get a lot of views. I mean, come on, you guys are gun-toting rednecks, and I definitely get that, but it's about time I focus to do things what I want to do. I want to make it cool now. I just want to just do things without even thinking, oh, are these guys going to like it? You know, I don't know. They really like Game of Dips. You know, I'm still going to do Game of Dips. I'm just saying, but like, as far as content, I don't give a, you know what? I don't. I'm going to have fun with it. I'm going to do my nerd stuff and do all types of vlogs or whatever it takes. I'm just going to have fun. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys learned a few things. The freaking moon, man. The moon is, what, 4.5 billion years old. I mean, it formed 60 million years after the solar system took shape. The moon is it's Earth's satellite. Moon and the sun determines the tides on Earth. I don't know if you guys knew that. But we're going to go ahead and leave it there. I'll catch you guys next week. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Again, I'm giving away that NASA stealth. But anyways, guys, take it easy. I'll catch you guys next week. And you guys all know this. If you ain't dipping, you ain't living.